Hi guys, welcome to topic 4.4 Acquire Core Team. At the heart of most successful projects, you will find an effective core team that is fully responsible for the day to day leadership of the project. Based upon my experience, the appropriate core team size is somewhere between 6 to 10 people. Yes, 6 to 10 people. The project manager is responsible for ensuring that the core team is effectively selected, onboarded, and fully engaged through the life cycle. Let's look at the purpose of the core team. The core team members are experts in their own field. For example, we'll have a procurement expert, we'll have a quality expert, we'll have a design expert, and of course the project manager. All these members of their own expert field combine together to form the core team who are responsible for monitoring and progress of each of the key deliverables. They help in making decisions about course correction. There are a number of possibilities because of which the project can go off course. There could be delays in the scope, in the schedule, probably there's some risk factor which needs to be looked into, there is some procurement issue which needs to be resolved. All these action items may cause a delay to the project if they are off course. So it becomes the key responsibility of the core team to bring the project back on course by solving these issues. Of course, they are fully responsible for the day-to-day leadership of the project. Let's look at some of the key factors of the good project team. A good project team is comprised of key stakeholders who are empowered to represent a segment of the overall domain. Please understand, representing this segment means that the core team member is responsible for providing knowledge from the area of expertise and making influencing decisions that impact the area of expertise. There are several key factors influencing the process of identifying the core team. The first one being diversity. Diversity is a key element of the core team because it is critical that different perspectives about the project and the project deliverable are fairly represented on the core project leadership team. This is followed by inclusiveness versus effectiveness. The core team is not the entire project team working on different project activities. Sizing the core team appropriately is critical to the successful management of the project. As a project manager, you need to strike a balance between including the right people in the day-to-day management of the project and creating a team that is too big to effectively make decisions. This is followed by assessing the organization. The type of organization you are working in significantly influences the manner in which the core team is formed. In a functional organization, it is generally the functional leaders that represent their area department on the core team. In a matrix and project organization, the core team is generally formed based on the role of the people assigned to the project. The type of organization and impacts the project manager's role and authority on the project, from limited in the functional organization to full control in the project organization. Let's have a look at how to assemble the core team members. You map out every task, milestone, or key decisions involved. List them along with your project charter, along with your Gantt chart. Keep it ready for discussion among the team members. This helps you determine the roles matching the tasks. This will help you decide what team members can fulfill these roles. It's important to have a planning meeting to communicate plans completed to date. Once you have these members with their specific roles on board, ensure to have a meeting, a planning meeting, in which you communicate the plans of the project to them and keep them updated so everybody is on the same page. It is also important that in this meeting you set the core team priorities so that everybody knows what is expected out of them once they walk out of the meeting. Align the core team with the project priorities. Once you have the core team and the project priorities, you align them and assign ownership so that you get the best of all the experts who are on board the core team. Guys, this brings you to the end of topic 4.4 and end of the module 4. Thank you.